All right, welcome back to the channel for another video. This is a review for the week of June 27th, 2022. And here we have the euro dollar, and we're going to go straight to the daily chart in this review. The euro dollar has been very choppy. Last week was a very ugly week. And because of that, there is no clear direction. We're sitting around this equilibrium level, and I honestly do not know where we can go. We can go either direction from here, higher or lower. And because of that, I am very neutral on this. I can't give you guys any direction. I would be lying to you, and I would be forcing the idea if I said we were bearish or bullish. Forex as a whole has been pretty dead compared to other asset classes like stock indices. But if you are hell bent on trading Forex, I would trade the dollar CAD pair. So if we go look at USD CAD, you can see that it looks a lot more clear than if we looked at the Euro USD chart. So I'll go back to that so you can see the difference. You see how this is so much more choppy, but if we go to dollar CAD, it's much more clear. This is a market that you would want to be in if you were trading Forex. So looking at the dollar CAD pair, it looks like it wants to trade to that 128 level. This is a very soft bias because Forex as a whole has been very choppy. But if I had to pick which market to trade in, it would be this market. And that's because this level looks pretty clear that it wants to trade to. So my bias for dollar CAD is the 128 level. And if we look at the hourly chart, we had a pretty nice sell-off on Friday. We have lows right here that we can take out. We have lows right here that we can take out, getting to that 128 level. So that would be my target for this week on this pair. And moving on to E-mini S&P 500 daily chart. As you can see, Friday we had a very big up movement, and it looks like it wants to trade to this 39.95, 40, 10 level. So we could just round that to the 4,000 level. That would be my target for this week on this pair. The only thing that would be problematic to that is if we trade under Friday's low. If we trade under Friday's low, we'll probably resume last week's bias and look for that 35.95 level and ultimately the 35.25 to 3,500 level. And that is only if we trade under Friday's low, which is at 37.8125. So we could just say 37.80. So if we get to 37.80, we're probably heading lower to 35.95 level. And if we go to the hourly chart, you can see price has been supporting bullish order blocks and bullish fair value gaps right here, right here. So we are very bullish on this pair, and this gray box is that target that I said from the daily chart. So we'll see what Sunday gaps give us. It would be nice to give us a gap higher. That would really confirm our bias going to this target. And looking at Bitcoin weekly chart, the bias remains the same. We're still looking for 15K, 12K, and 10K. I do not know the timing as to which we get there, but that is ultimately my target. It can trade up all the way up here, all the way up here to even 44K. My targets would still be these levels. If we do push up higher, I think this is just a fake out move to get people excited to start buying up crypto before they crash it again and take everyone's money again. And if we look at the daily chart, this 24,700 level I'm keeping an eye on. It does look inviting for it to trade up there. As a matter of fact, it would be even nicer if it does trade up there because that would support the story of them raising Bitcoin, getting people excited before they tank it lower, taking people's money. But the target remains 15, 12, and 10K, and that will likely not change until we take out the high of Bitcoin up here. That's the only thing that would change my bias, is if we take out this high at, what is that, 69,000. And that is it for this preview for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, remember to support the channel, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for further content.